Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share my kit that I got from the Stamps of Life. It is my May kit, no, it is April's club card kit. Yeah, it is April's kit. It's the Wishing Well kit, and I will leave a link here. I think I did an unboxing of the Die Hard Club with the stamp and die set that we get, which is here, but I will leave a link if I did do a video there. But we did get an A1 card base to make an A1 card, and it is a double Z card die set. It comes with some layering dies, as well as I believe this is like a tag die and some other layering pieces. So you get quite a few dies in this one set. We always get the inspiration cards in the club. We get some cardstock as well as some A2 size envelopes. And we get a bunch of embellishments as well as a paper pack. And we also got another die set with a pocket and a flower, and they all have shadow pieces. So we received that in this club kit. We also received the paper pad, which comes in different sizes. Majority of them are 6x6 papers. Some of them are 6x9, I believe. But this shows you the different patterns that are included in this 24 sheets of double-sided paper. So some of the papers have been removed already because I have made a few cards that I'm going to share with you here in a minute. But those are the papers that you get. Also, we got some embellishments. We got a few of these bows. I didn't use any of these, I don't believe, in this kit. But we do get a few of these dotted bows. We also got a sheet of glittered enamel dots, very sparkly. We also got a sheet of sentiments, which I've used some of them already. And I believe that was all in the kit. Oh, and then we got our 2 spools of ribbon that coordinate with the kit. The papers we received, the cardstock, all of that, they all coordinate and match very well. And so that's pretty much what we got in this kit. I'm interested to know, do any of you belong to any type of monthly craft subscription? Are they card making or, you know, die clubs, any monthly subscriptions? I'm interested to know if you like them, what subscriptions you subscribe to. So if you could just leave them in the comments below. I am interested in maybe doing a different club. So I'd be interested to see what other clubs are out there. So let me share with you the cards I made. I got 9 cards out of this session, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I did. I got 9 cards. Majority of them, I did use the A1 double Z card die set. These are available on the website as well if you are not a kit subscriber. So one of the first ones I got was this. So this is the Z fold. It just cuts out, scores, and so all you need to do is crease the lines and add your decoration and you're good to go. So like, see, this is the one of the layering pieces I added, and this is a layering piece, and this is just one of the wishing wells from the paper pack. Oh, and then we did get these puffy flower stickers, but I used them all up, so making these cards. So that's one thing I smashed out of the kit. But there's one of them. Here is another. And I just used this circle die here that I've gotten from Happier Ghost Store on AliExpress to make the sentiment. And it's just hanging off the fold, so when you open it, there you go. Here is another. We did receive this thank you in the Die Hard kit. It was a free sentiment, so it has the cutout and the shadow piece. Here is another one. These flowers are from a past kit that I had. But this is the ribbon that was included in the dice in the kit. Here is another one. And these flowers here were from the they were included in the club kit as well. And I just, so you cut the shadow piece and then this layer, and this layer I just inked with a blending brush to bring it out more. And then these are the gemmies that were included in the kit. Whoops, here's another one. And here's another one with the Z-fold. This is the last one I did. And this is the pocket that was included in the kit. So I cut some of that out. And then with some of the scraps I just made regular A2 size cards. And this sentiment was from a last kit as well as these felt flowers from past kits. And the good things in life are better with you. Yes, thank you, subbies. They are. It's better with you. So this is my this is my April card kit. Like I said, I got 9 cards in the one kit. Be looking out for my unboxing of May's stamp and die set, which I've already received in the Die Hard Club. So I should be posting that video coming up here shortly. Well, I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day. And until my next video, you can find more videos here. Shakas!